Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is stake.com and how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Stake.com is a crypto-based online casino and sports betting platform where users can gamble using cryptocurrencies instead of traditional fiat money. It's known for its fast, anonymous transactions, exclusive promotions, and community features like chat and leaderboards. So, what is stake.com? Stake.com is an online offering slots, blackjack, roulette, crash, plinko, and more, or a sports betting site for live and pre-match betting on sports like soccer, NBA, UFC, tennis, etc. Crypto-focused, meaning all deposits, withdrawals, and bets are done in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ripple, Tron, and Tether. Then, in order to use it, what you need to do first is head over and open up your app store. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is on the search bar, simply type in stake.com. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is look for an app icon like this on your search list, and then simply tap on the app. Now, once you're inside the app, what you need to do is tap on the get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now, once downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is create an account if you haven't. Simply click on register if you haven't created an account, and then enter your username, your email, and your password. You can also use a promo code for bonuses or rakeback if you have it, and then you can, if you already have an account, all you gotta do is just simply log in with your stake.com credentials. Then second is to deposit crypto. In order to do it, tap on the wallet icon on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside your my wallet section, here you'll find the option that says deposit right here. Simply tap on that. Now all you gotta do is choose your preferred cryptocurrency, then copy the deposit address and send crypto from your external wallet or exchange. Then you can play games or bet on sports by visiting the casino tab for games like Stake Originals, that is Crash, Plinko, and Dice, and slots from providers like Pragmatic Play and Hacksaw, and live casino real dealers in real time. You can also visit the sports tab to place the bets on live and upcoming matches. Now, in order to withdraw your winnings, all you gotta do is head over back once again to the wallet icon on your bottom of the screen. Then you'll find an option that says withdraw right here. Simply tap on that, and then once you are here, enter your external wallet address. Then once that's done, enter in the amount that you want to withdraw, and once that's done, confirm the transaction, and the crypto withdrawals are usually processed instantly or within a few minutes. Then you can also use bonuses and referrals by simply heading over back to the home screen and then tapping on rewards on the bottom of your screen, and then check for promotions, giveaways, challenges, and rakeback. You can also share your referral link by simply tapping on the share link and then simply save it to a friend, and once they sign up using your referral link, you'll be able to earn commissions. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.